Hello everybody, and welcome to the March edition of A Walk with the Bees, where we take you through our apiary and our property so you can see what the bees are interested in this time of month. In March, everything really starts waking up. Our spring bulbs are breaking through the ground and beginning to bloom, but the bees don't really pay a whole lot of attention to those. There are three trees that really help give our bees a boost. The first one is the earliest, and that is our maple trees. So silver maple, red maple, sugar maple. We have silver maples on our property, and they're the first true access to fresh pollen that our bees get. Starting in March. In addition to that, we also have our Bradford or calorie pear, and while not everybody is a fan of these trees, the bees certainly are, and you can actually lay under these trees during the day on a calm, sunny day and just listen to the hum of the bees. They are just all over these trees because, again, they're one of the first trees to bloom in the spring. Some of the other trees that are blooming right now are elm trees, but the bees tend to not prefer those over the maples and the Bradford or calorie pear. This is also the time where I'm adding some pollen patties and I'm checking for queen right colonies so that the pollen that's coming in is not going to waste and it's going to the production of the brood in the hive so that we can build up for our splits come April. Thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you next month in April where we'll start looking for swarms.